Hey audio buddies, let's take a look at sample rate and bit depth. What are they? Why are they important? Have a listen to these two recordings. This is recorded at 48K and 32-bit. This is recorded at 6K 16-bit. Let's start with sample rate. That refers to how many slices of audio are recorded each second. With an audio waveform, the distance between the peaks and troughs represents the pitch. So the more slices of information we have, the more accurately we can represent the pitch of audio. If we only have a few samples, then you'll see that we get less information about the pitch. However, if we have more samples, then the pitch is more accurately recorded. Bit depth refers to the amount of data contained in each of those individual slices. With a greater bit depth, you have more information about the amplitude or the volume of the original sound. So with a low bit depth, we lose information, but with a greater bit depth, the amplitude, the volume is more accurately represented. Thanks for listening.